G'day, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to have a look at this webcam and see what's inside. So it's just a plastic case. It's got a little swivel mount here, padded foam there just to sit on top of a monitor, and then it's just got this little privacy sort of slide to be able to block the lens completely. And then the cable and just a USB connection. So it just seems like it's a single case. It feels pretty light. Don't think there's going to be that much inside. But I reckon there's just a couple of screws probably holding it together from the front. So let's see if we can find those. There we go, that's it. This is the whole camera module. The rest is just a big plastic case. So there'll be something here. Oh, that's just gonna be a microphone. So from the front, there's just that little hole over there. And then on the inside, that's actually not even glued down. It's just sort of sitting there with a bit of foam. Just a small little microphone there. And then just a ribbon cable labeled mic that goes over into the main PCB. And then the actual PCB, so this cable would have been fed through the case first and then soldered on. You can see a little bit of that sort of shiny color around it. That's just a flux in the solder that's melted, just to sort of clean those contacts a little bit. There's just a, I assume maybe a voltage regulator there to keep the voltage stable. Then we've just got a couple more components on the back, and then on the front there's two LEDs here, so I'm not sure what they actually correspond to. So on and not sure what that is, but it looks like maybe a connection, or I don't know, maybe one's for the microphone, the other one's when the camera's on. But two microphones, another little sort of IC chip there that's probably actually doing most of the processing of this for the module, and then just the actual camera in the center. So really neat sort of cutout on the side there. So the camera would have just been glued here, ribbon cable fed through, and then actually just clicked on the other side to connect it together. I guess, and then coming back down, we've just got a knot here just to prevent the cable from going out. And then again, just a little swivel mount there. So that's it. That's pretty much it. That's this is just a cheap consumer webcam, and quite nice and simple and in a little case. So that's it. Thanks for watching.